A very good morning to all of you. Hope you and your family are safe. Dear student, welcome back to the online classes. I hope that you have completed your homework properly. Children, your periodic test is coming soon. That's why I am going to revise all the chapters one by one. So let's start today's class. It is a computer book. Its name is Computer in Action Part 3. The name of the first chapter is Computer Basic. In this chapter, we will learn uses of computer, characteristic of a computer, working of a computer, input, output and storage devices, hardware and software. So let us start first topic, uses of computer. What is a computer? Computer is an electronic machine that works according to the instruction given by us. It means that computer takes input from the user, process on these inputs, and after processing it gives result to the user. It can do various types of work, due to which its uses has grown a lot in the past few years. It means computer do different types of work at the same time. Due to its uses, it is very useful machine nowadays. What is the uses of computer? Where it is used? Let's see one by one. Computers are used different places for different purpose. For example, at home. At home, computers are used to do homework and search for information. It is used draw pictures, solve sums, play games, watch movies, listen to music, and so on. At shop, computers are used to make bills and print it. It is also used to keep record of sales and purchase. It is used to keep record of items. At school, computers are used to learn new things in the classrooms, make timetables, question paper, report cards with the help of computer. It is also used for practical work in the lab. It is used to keep record of the books in the library. It is also used to keep record of student. Offices. In office, computers are used to keep records, type letters, sending and receiving emails, making projects, and so on. At banks, in the banks, computers are used for keeping record of their customer, keeping record of their accounts. It is used to put in and take out money from the bank, right? At railway station, airport, computers are used at railway station and airport to book and cancel tickets, keep records of all passengers, update timetables of trains and flight, give information of seat availability in the train and flight, right? Hospital. In the hospital, computers are used to check the health of patient. It is used to keep medical records and make bills and reports. It is also used to diagnose disease, right? Scientific research. Computers are also used for launching satellite, weather forecasting, launching missiles, and so on. It is used to give prior information of any disaster and so on, right? Now, characteristic of a computer. Characteristic of a computer means feature of a computer. Computer has certain characteristic. Some of its features are speed. The speed of a computer is very high. Computer can perform billions information computer can perform billions jobs in a second. It is the speed is very high. Due to its speed, it is very useful nowadays. Accuracy and reliability. Computer always give correct result. If we give proper instruction to it always give a correct result. It's computer never make a mistake, right? Diligence. Computer does not get tired. It can keep working for long hours and can do the same work again and again. Means computer never gets tired. It can work from morning to the night without feeling tiredness. If it never bored to do the same task again. If we do same task again, we feel tired, we feel bored, but computer never feel tired and bored. High storage capacity. Computer are store lots of information in its memory. We can access this information at any time, at any place, right? Multitasking. Computer can work computer can do different types of tasks at the same time. It can, if you want to type a letter, then at the same time you also listen to music, you can play games, right? But it is a multitasking. Working of a computer work on IPO cycle. What is the full form of IPO? Input, process, output, right? It means computer takes input, process on these data, and after processing it give result, right? I repeat once again. Computer works on IPO cycle. IPO means input, process, output. Means computer takes input from the user, process on these inputs, and after processing it give result. Here two examples are given. The first example is to prepare a cake. For preparing a cake, input, all ingredients are input. For example, egg, baking powder, butter. It is a ingredient and it is the input for making a cake. You mix all these ingredients and put in the microwave for bake. So baking the cake is a process in the oven. After when cake is baked, what is the output? Delicious cake is the output. Let's take another example. If you want to make orange juice, so orange is a input. You put orange in the juicer where processing is going on. After processing, what you will get? You will get orange juice. So orange juice is your output, right? What is input? Input, the data and instruction which a computer gets is called input. Means the data which you give to the computer, the data or the instruction you give to the computer is known as input. If we want to add two numbers, then we type first number, second number, plus. So these are the input, right? Process. After getting input, computer process on the input data, right? Output. The result of processing is known as output. The result which is given by the computer is known as output. The output is displayed through the output devices, right? Hope you are understand my points. If you have any problem, please call me or drop a message in the group, right? Okay, thank you.